सबैलाई नमस्कार। पास्ट क्वेसन्स फ्रम डिजिजको पार्ट 3 मा पुगेको छु म। पार्ट 1 र पार्ट 2 मा 20 वटा क्वेसनहरू सल्भ गरिसकेँ र रिमेनिङ क्वेसन आज सल्भ गर्नेछु। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेसन नम्बर 41, सेन्स अफ वेलबिङ, अलर्टनेस एन्ड कन्फिडेन्स इज एक्सलरेटेड बाई। We know amphetamine is mostly used by athletes for increasing alertness and confidence, but this is illegal drug. Opium narcotics. To remember opium narcotics, we can use mnemonics, which is HeroCMP. Hero means heroin, C means codeine, M means morphine, P means pethidine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter and is also a hormone. Yes. 42. Alcohol absorption in our body is mainly from. In our body, alcohol is absorbed from stomach but is metabolized in liver. Alcohol absorption in our body is mainly from stomach but in metabolized in liver. 43. A man will die if he drinks more than ... ml of pure methanol. We know methyl alcohol is highly poisonous alcohol. If a man drinks more than 50 ml of pure methanol, he will die. That's why alcohol poisoning is due to methyl alcohol. 44. Has highest percentage of female smoker in the world. We know Nepal has highest percentage of female smoker in the world. Among male Nepalese ranks 3rd in world, while Nepal ranks 3rd all over. In smoking. 45. Smoking is the causative factor of lung cancer. Smoking is the causative factor of lung cancer. 46. Addiction of cigarette is mainly due to. The contents of cigarette can be remembered as CANT, carbon monoxide, ammonia, nicotine, and tar. Most poisonous gas is carbon monoxide. Among them, nicotine is addictive part. Tar causes cancer. So addiction of cigarette is mainly due to nicotine, while addiction of coffee is due to caffeine. 47. The elevated level of the enzyme ... in serum is found particularly in chronic alcoholics. In chronic alcoholics, there is an elevated level of gamma glutamyl transferase enzyme, that is gamma GT enzyme. Alkaline phosphatase is the enzyme used in ELISA, which is screening test of HIV. The full form of ELISA is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, and the enzyme used is alkaline phosphatase. 48. Chronic alcohol use may harm the following part of our body. Effect of alcohol. Walk to birth. Wernicke's encephalopathy. Encephalopathy. A means ataxia, which is loss of balance due to effect in cerebellum. Now K means Korsakoff's psychosis. L means liver cirrhosis. P means peritonitis. And TH means thiamine deficiency. Thiamine, that is vitamin B1 deficiency. Chronic alcohol use may harm the following part, that is peritoneum. 49. HIV infects helper T cells, which contains CD4 and CD8. CD4 is to CD8 ratio in normal condition is 2:1, which changes to 1:2 after HIV infection. Alpha interferon and lamivudine are used in the treatment of hepatitis. Drugs of AIDS are ALAN. This is trick to remember drugs of AIDS. AZT, that is zidovudine. AZT means azithromycin. Also called zidovudine. L means lamivudine. N means nevirapine. These are drugs of AIDS. However, alpha interferon and lamivudine are drugs of hepatitis. 51. Fatty liver syndrome is due to alcohol. Effect of alcohol. Walk to birth. Fatty liver syndrome is due to alcohol. Constriction of pupil and low respiratory rate is caused by heroin and opium. 53. Which disease is also known as consumption disease? TB is known as consumption disease. PEP in HIV refers to past exposure prophylaxis. PEP in HIV refers to past exposure prophylaxis. Typhoid in human being is caused by Salmonella typhi and Salmonella paratyphi. Salmonella typhi and Salmonella paratyphi retrovirus causes HIV. Gel nail test is used for TB. 57. Hansen's disease is leprosy was discovered by Hansen, so-called Hansen disease. TB was discovered by Robert Koch. That's why called Koch disease. Leprosy was discovered by Hansen, so-called Hansen's disease. Similarly, TB was discovered by Koch, so-called Koch disease. 58. Mycolic acid is present in TB is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, in which cell wall contains mycolic acid. 59. Barbiturates and benzodiazepams are examples of tranquilizers and sedatives. 60. Causative agent of typhoid in human is Salmonella typhi and Salmonella paratyphi. 61. Sarcoma is the cancer of connective tissue, mesodermal in origin, while carcinoma is the cancer of epithelial tissue. 62. When TB is associated with AIDS, option A, Montagu's test reading is affected. B, CSF parameters are affected. C, first line management is affected. And D, TB is caused by typical mycobacterium. When TB is associated with AIDS, first line management is affected. 63. Which of these following is correct? A, ELISA is confirmatory test of AIDS. This is incorrect. ELISA is screening test. Western blot is confirmatory test of AIDS. Yes, this is true. This is correct. Montagu's test is confirmatory test of TB. No, Montagu's is the important types of typhoid. No, this is TB. 64. DOTS stands for Directly Observed Treatment Short Course. WHO launched DOTS in Nepal in 1996 April. There are two phases in DOTS. One is intensive phase and another is continuation. Intensive phase is 2 months, continuous phase is 6 months. In this way, we finished the chapter disease.